Casement window installation. Lexington is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our professional window installers in Lexington ensure a seamless installation process, providing you with energy-efficient casement windows that reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Energy-efficient casement windows. Lexington are a smart investment for any Lexington SC home. These windows help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Our Lexington window experts specialize in installing double-glazed casement windows, which offer superior insulation and noise reduction. Lexington window replacement services offer a wide range of options, including custom casement windows, Lexington tailored to your specific needs. Whether you prefer vinyl casement windows or aluminum casement windows, our Lexington SC window contractors provide affordable solutions without compromising quality. Custom Windows Lexington, South Carolina, allow homeowners to express their unique style while enhancing their home's functionality. Our Lexington SC window specialists work closely with you to design casement window styles that complement your home's architecture and meet your specific requirements. Double-glazed casement windows. Lexington provide excellent thermal performance, making them a popular choice for energy-efficient windows in Lexington. Our Lexington SC window solutions include a variety of double-glazed casement windows that enhance your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Affordable windows in Lexington SC are within reach with our competitive pricing and high-quality products. Our Lexington window services include a range of affordable casement windows that offer both style and functionality, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Professional window installers in Lexington are dedicated to providing top-notch service and expertise. Our team ensures that every casement windows Lexington installation is completed to the highest standards, guaranteeing your satisfaction and peace of mind. Casement window maintenance in Lexington is crucial for preserving the appearance and functionality of your windows. Our Lexington SC window contractors offer comprehensive maintenance services, including window sealing and window weatherproofing, to protect your investment. Vinyl windows Lexington in South Carolina are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our Lexington window contractors offer a variety of vinyl casement windows that provide excellent energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal.